So we've successfully trued up our tabletop at the chop saw. Should measure 16 by 16. What we're going to do now is we're going to sand this thing with a block sander and a piece of 120 grit. We'll spend a few minutes on each side. Then we'll go to a block sander with 150 and a block sander with 220, depending on the species that we have. If we have oak or hickory or ash, we're going to stop at 150. So when we go to sand this thing here, there's a couple things we need to think about. Number one, this is going to be my tabletop, so I want it to be nice and clean. I want to make sure that wherever I'm working, there's no nails or pieces of debris that are sitting underneath here. Make sure it feels nice, because we can damage our tabletop. When we sand this, we're going to sand with our grain, full stroke. Be careful you don't round over this edge. We will route that at some point here. We'll sand this side here for about 5 minutes or so. You can sand your edges up here. However, I only want you to do this a couple of times and nice and slow. What can wind up happening is when we sand this, we can start getting a rock going. We don't want that to happen. All right, we just want to carefully clean these up to take the little bit of rough peeling off of it. Do not sand against the grain, only sand with the grain. We're going to go over how to route this here in our next video, and then after that, we're going to start putting some finishing on it.